Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to go to guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile sound vibration setting, and today video title is guys how to set ringtone in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone in Tecno mobile, so how to set ringtone one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to set ringtone, how to use ringtone setting in Tecno mobile. Open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone sound and vibration setting. After turn on sound and vibration setting, friends, you can adjust your device volume, media volume, alarm, ringtone, notification, call volume. You can adjust. Friends, you want to use do not disturb setting, you can on do not disturb from here and you can use it. And you want to schedule your do not disturb time, you can schedule from here. Friends, click here phone ringtone 1 and you want to set phone ringtone 1. Select your ringtone sound and you can set phone ringtone 1. So friends, I will select here this live ringtone, OK option, and friends phone ringtone 1 will set, and you can adjust ringtone volume. Right side you can increase and left side you can decrease your ringtone volume. So like that friends, phone ringtone 1 will set. And friends, you want to use your Tecno mobile phone ringtone 2. So friends, select your phone ringtone 2, OK option, phone ringtone 2 will set. And friends, you can see notification ringtone is off. You want to notification ringtone sound, friends click here, select notification ringtone sound, OK option, and friends you can see notification ringtone sound will on. And you can adjust notification volume. Same here friends, alarm ringtone you want to on, so friends you can on alarm ringtone, OK option, alarm ringtone will on, and you can use alarm ringtone sound. So like that friends, we can use ringtone full setting. We can set phone ringtone, notification ringtone, and alarm ringtone. And you want to change ringtone, again click here ringtone, select new ringtone, OK option, ringtone will change. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.